Sometimes you get everything right, and others, well, you fail miserably. And with saying that, I need to set the record straight. In the video we just released about the 5 highways that were nearly erased by the interstate, I left one out, missed it entirely. But thankfully, you guys didn't, and you told me about it in the comments. Oh, I was so embarrassed. But with that said, today we're here to say, US 91, I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart. And we're going to make it up to you because I've created this whole video just to tell you about US 91. So ride along with us because we're going to find out what makes this road so special as we go beyond the exit. Like all the numbered highway system, US 91 began in 1926. It started way down in Long Beach, California, and stretched north through Las Vegas, Salt Lake City, Pocatello, and Butte, before ending at the Canadian border in Sweetgrass, Montana. And at its peak, it was 1,480 miles long. And in Vegas, it didn't just pass through town. It was the original Las Vegas Strip. That long stretch of neon, casinos, and motor courts, all of it sat right on the old highway. But like all the roads on our list, it was soon superseded by the interstate. As I-15 was built, it began to take over 91 mile by mile. By the mid-1970s, the highway was almost completely decommissioned. Today, only about 172 miles of that highway still exist, a short stretch between Brigham City, Utah, and Idaho Falls, Idaho. How many total miles of US 91 were decommissioned? 1,308 miles. And yeah, that's way more than US 21. Have you driven a stretch of old 91? Well, tell us about it down in the comments. Obviously, we answer them. That's why we made this video. We want to encourage you to get out there and try to find some of these lost roads. They may have been taken out of the Federal Register when the interstate came through, but a lot of places, they're still out there hiding in plain sight. You guys are great, and we love all the comments that we've been getting. And a special thanks to US 91. Thank you for watching, and God bless.